In this lesson, we're going to work on some addition facts and addition tricks. So if we have a problem like this that says add 6 plus 7. So you might remember off the top of your head what 6 plus 7 is equal to, and that would be an addition fact. 6 plus 7 always equals the same number. But if you don't remember, you could use a number line like this, and you can start at this, you just imagine yourself at the bigger number and moving forward. So because we're adding here, the number will be getting bigger, so we move this way along the number line. If we're subtracting, the number would be getting smaller, and so we'd be moving this way. But for this one, we're moving this way. So let's imagine ourselves at 7, and then we move forward 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer is 13. Another way to do this is to use the doubles trick. So the doubles trick is that 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's an addition fact. Then you can add one more to 12 to get 13. So really you're just adding a total of 7 to 6, but you're doing it in a trickier way that's a little bit easier. So let's put in the number, the answer for 6 plus 7, which is 13, which is the addition fact for 6 plus 7. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Practice makes improvement. And if you need extra help, you could take a look in the description. There's other videos of mine that you could watch that are similar to this, and you can find the links in the description. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.